I would like to talk about something that I just discovered, actually yesterday. It's called geocaching. So a friend of mine was over for lunch and she was telling me about geocaching. So first I'm going to read to you the definition. Put my glasses on here. Okay, let's get the definition here. Geocaching meaning. Okay. The recreational activity of hunting for and finding a hidden object by means of GPS coordinates posted on a website. Okay, so it's kind of like Pokemon for adults. So you download the app and it shows you where all these really cool places are, and you go to these places and you find what they're calling cache. Not C-A-S-H, but C-A-C-H-E. And sometimes there's boxes, and you open the boxes and there's stuff there. You log in that you were there, you go online, you tell people you were there. Anyway, so there's thousands of them. They're in Germany, they're all over the world. Today, I'm going to go to the very first one on my list, which is right down the street at the Masonic cemetery, which is really cool because when I first started my YouTube channel, my very first video was about this cemetery. So I will put up a link right there. Okay, I'll put a link right there, and if you just want to see the cemetery. But I'm gonna go there today. I'm gonna take a friend with me who doesn't want to be on camera. So, or maybe I'll just put her on camera and we'll tell her. That's what we'll do. How many geocaches are there? 3 million. There are more than 3 million active geocaches worldwide. They're hidden in 191 different countries on all 7 continents, even Antarctica. More than 642 million found its and event attended logs have been recorded since the game started in 2000. Where is it the most popular? What do you think? United States? No. Oh my gosh, Prague. Does it cost money? No. It's free. It's free, which is why it's very appealing to me, because I love free stuff. So this is new for me. I'm gonna do something new. I'm gonna go on down to the cemetery and see if I can find my first geocache, and we'll do a little video. So why don't you guys come along? So let's go. Heard something. So the first one went well at the cemetery. I couldn't find it, but my friend found it. It was a little canister. I can't say too much about it because this video might just blow up, and it will be the most popular video ever in the history of YouTube. So I have to be careful in case other geocachers stumble across it, and then they'll find out where the canister's located. Well, anyway, it was good. Found it. And there were some really cool trinkets inside. I'll share some pictures. And so we left there and we went and decided to do another one. Busy street, lots of cars going by, so it was kind of a little scary. I couldn't find it again. My friend found it. So my friend ended up finding it and we pulled it out.
We gotta pull it out.
There.
Did we find a pen? Let's open it. Oh, yeah! It's a spoon and a shell.
Opened it up, and this one we were able to sign. I wrote her names down on it. And
10/3/20. Kim and Deb.
that was pretty cool. So I had a lot of fun. These are the first two, and I plan on doing more. I probably won't video anymore about it because this is just something new that I decided to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the little bell and leave a comment. Hit a like. Don't hit a like, but keep coming back because I'm going to be trying to put more videos on in the future. That's it. I'm going to be signing off now, and everybody have a great day and stay safe. Bye.